Hey photo people, welcome to the Luminous-Landscape. If you care about how your prints look, where they go, and how much it costs to get them there, then listen up. We are going to talk about Printing United Expo 2025. It just wrapped up in Orlando, and yeah, it's a gearhead's paradise. But more importantly, it matters a lot for us photographers. Here's what stood out and why you should care. And hey, before we jump back into ink channels and droplet sizes, if you want access to 30 years of photo tutorials, tech breakdowns, and straight talk from actual photographers, join our membership at Luminous-Landscape. Let's start with Canon. They went big with their imagePROGRAF Pro 2600, and honestly, it's a big flex. I say this because it has 12-channel ink system using the new Lucia Pro 2 inks. Here's another big one. It has dedicated matte black and photo black. There's no ink swapping. It also has official Linux drivers. Finally, I know a lot of you have been wanting that. And they won the Pinnacle Award this year for the best photo printer under 80 inches. So nicely done. This printer is also optimized for landscape photographers thanks to an extended red and blue gamut, perfect for those golden hour skies and deep shadows. So the retail price, it's around $3,000. That's seriously aggressive for this level of print quality. So that's a big feat. Then there's Epson, who's going full 3-tiered. You've got the P7370 and the P9370 for studio and fine artwork. And you have the P2570, which I'm calling the freight train, and you'll see why. The P9370 is particularly a beast for gallery-grade landscape and fine art printing. 10-channel head, violet ink for stronger twilight tones, and it's supposed to be double the speed of printing than last one. So if you print big, print often, or just want stunning color reproduction, well, this line is worth a serious look. So Epson, they are doing a good job. Now we have HP. HP has always played in the signage and commercial area, but with the Latex 2700 series, they're speaking our language. And I say this because they have white ink. On colored paper, wood, and even metal, it pops. This means photographers exploring non-traditional substrates have an actual production solution. No more workaround hacks. And yes, it's environmentally certified with low heat, low waste, and no solvents, which matters if you're printing in a small space and you're just wanting to avoid breathing all those fumes. So that's a good news. Good job, HP. If any of this gets your gears turning, we've got deep technical dives, breakdowns inside the Luminous-Landscape member archive. Check out a link in the description. All right, let's finish strong. So what's the big picture here? The tools have caught up with our vision. Well, at least it's getting very close to being there. If you're considering a printer upgrade or just want to stay ahead of where the industry is going, check out our full article on the site. We break down every major release from Canon, Epson, HB, Fujifilm, X-Rite, and more and more and more. And as always, if this video gave you something to think about, kept you up to date, if you learned something, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and share it with someone who's still printing like it's 2012.